if you have kidney stone, or you're a family member to someone who has kidney stone, or you are someone who cares for people who have kidney stone, I want you to stop scrolling and stop doing whatever you're doing and listen to this video very carefully, because you're going to learn something that's very, very important, and that is learning about this book called The Kidney Stone Handbook: 100 Essential Questions and Answer. This is 100 essential questions and answers specifically for people who have kidney stone. So if you are taking care of someone who has kidney stone, or you have kidney stone, or you're a nurse or a doctor that has a patient that is suffering from kidney stone, this book showing on your screen is a book that you need to have. It's very, very informative, has a lot of information that is actually going to help you and your patient, or you suffering from to understand what kidney stone is, and also how to tackle kidney stones. So if you're a doctor or you're a nurse, you have someone who has kidney stone and they keep troubling you every time with different kind of questions, just tell them to buy this book or get this book for them, and be rest assured that every question that they will actually going to want to ask you to disturb your day or to disturb you sleeping in the night, they will call you and I'm having pain, I'm doing this. You'll be rest assured that the question has been answered by this book, and you just be relaxed doing whatever you want to do. Then you, as a patient who also has kidney stone, by the time you finish going through these 100 questions, you would have been well informed about kidney stone, that nobody will be able to dissuade you. And no matter the kind of fake promises people give you on this internet space, you'll be able to say, yes, look at what I know about kidney stone, and this is what it should be. So this book is tested, it is trusted. So if you go this book was written with my more than 5 years experience working with people who have kidney stones. We've actually dealt with a lot of things in this book. So in this very video, I want to read out like 20 questions and answers that we've actually handled, okay, for you to see how rich the rest of the 80 is going to be, and it's something that you don't have to miss. So this book is written by my humble self, Onovo Victory, your kidney health coach. Okay, and it was written last year, I think last year December. Okay, that was a period I had a knee surgery. Okay, so during the resting phase, during the time I took to recover, I was able to put this down, and it's very, very amazing. You can see the book is very fine and nice cover. So the book actually was dedicated to my wife, and also I acknowledged in this book my friend Anthony Nnamdi Ofo, okay, an engineer with Royal Salt Company in Abakaliki. So, having said that, we started this book with number one question is, what is kidney stone? A lot of people do not know what is kidney stone. In fact, coming up with the diagnosis, they are like, what actually is kidney stone? So in this book, we actually defined what kidney stone is. We also talked about the different kind of stones. We also talk about the symptoms, just in that particular question, talk about the symptoms, things that you need to be seen in your body, and you know that you have kidney stones. Okay, so we have number two question said, is kidney stone the same thing as gallbladder stone? I know you have that question, you've always been asking that question. So in this book, we actually, that's the number two question we dealt with. We try to differentiate between, we have to talk about the key differences, the similarities, and the key differences between gallbladder stone and kidney stone. So moving to number three, we also talked about, can one treatment work for both kidney stone and gallbladder stone? So this is also one of the lies that people use to deceive a lot of persons. Kidney stone and gallbladder stone are two different things, and their treatment approach is also two different things. So like they don't even meet at all. So okay, I think I've been able to also I answered that. Then now the treatment. So some people believe that they use one treatment to cure both anything stone and anything stone. So it's not possible. Okay, there's a reason why kidney stone forms, and there's a reason why gallbladder stone forms. So if you have anyone forming in your body, you need to get this book, read it, and understand what the difference is, and why nobody should deceive you that any particular thing that works for kidney stone will also work for gallbladder stone. So that's number three. Number four is, can gallbladder stone also cause back pain? So you'll be getting the answers, because one of the things you'll be hearing on the internet, if you're having back pain, so in this book, we're able to differentiate. In fact, if you go through this YouTube channel, you will also see video where I talked about different parts of the back and what pain at each side means to your health. So aside from getting this book, we also have the free material down there where you can actually go to and get the information. So now number 5 said, how can I differentiate between gallbladder stone pain and kidney stone pain? Very, very important. So if you're having gallbladder stone and someone is having gallbladder stone, or okay, you don't know what you're having, but you're having back pain, or you're having pain generally, and you want to know, how do I differentiate if this pain that is actually wrong with me is either gallbladder stone pain or kidney stone pain? In this book, we have actually done those differences for you, that you can actually at a glance know what the problem is and know what to do. Now number 6 question is, can water flush gallbladder stones? So in fact, this book is a must have. If you've not gotten this book, the kidney stone handbook, 100 essential questions and answer, you need to get them so that you'll be able to know what to do and know how to tackle situations like this. Can water flush out gallbladder stone? Very important, you need to get this. Then, can drinking water alone flush kidney stones? A lot of persons have said that they went to the hospital or went to anywhere, they asked them to keep drinking water. So in this book, we answered if water alone is actually enough. So if you're treating kidney stone and you don't have this book, I wonder what you're treating. So is kidney stone the same as kidney failure? So this question is quite simple, but a lot of people keep asking this question repeatedly. So if you have this book, you won't be asking such questions. You would have gotten the answer to this question. Then that's number 8. I'm rushing so that we'll be fast. Number 9, what is the best treatment option for kidney stone? So we have kidney stone and we have kidney stone. So what is the best treatment option? So we're looking at all the treatment options for kidney stones. I'll be in this book, we'll be telling you that this one is the best, this is the one you should go for. So we'll also be letting you know the limitations of different measures of treating kidney stone, because there's different ways to get to the result. So number 10 said, can treatment of kidney stone affect conception as a trying to conceive mother? So in fact, this book was not just written from the sky, from someone who doesn't have experience. Okay, I'm Honorable Victor and I'm your kidney health coach. I have over 5 years of experience helping those who have kidney stone become kidney stone free. And every month I organize kidney health class specifically for people who have kidney stones, educating them on how they can actually eradicate kidney stones. So in this very class, I give people opportunity to ask questions, and these questions I'm bringing out here are not just merely fabricated questions. They are real questions that real people have actually asked in my class, that I buckle them together to be able to help us learn more about kidney stone. So this one is trying to conceive mother than treat kidney stone. So we also answered this question. So if you're trying to conceive mother and you're listening to me and you have kidney stone, this book is a must-have for you. You must read this book to be able to get all these answers. So question number 11, can I start drinking kidney stone? Can I start treating kidney stone as a pregnant woman? So as a pregnant woman, can you start treating kidney stone? How long should I be on painkiller following the diagnosis of kidney stone? So when someone has been diagnosed of kidney stone, how long will that person be taking painkiller? Because kidney stone, one of the things that actually make you to realize that you have kidney stone is this lower back pain. So, and you need to do everything you can do to stop this pain. And some people go serially on painkillers. So how long is safe for painkillers? And you know that some painkillers have actually been known to cause what? You know, that's question number 12. Then we have question number 13. How much water is safe for me while treating kidney stone? How much water is actually safe for you while you're on kidney stone treatment? Okay, some people say go and drink enough water, go and drink enough water. How much water is enough? And when is the water excess? Or when are you not drinking enough? So we actually explained all this in this very book. Then number 14, is too much intake of water dangerous? Water is life, water no get enemy. Is treatment of if drink too much water, is it dangerous? So get this book to be able to get the answer. So okay, the book will be showing on the screen as I talk, so that you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about better and appreciate the book in case you see it maybe on the bookshelf or anywhere. Question number 15. How does conservative treatment of kidney, how long does conservative treatment for kidney stone last? So if you are treating kidney stone conservatively, how long does it last? So in this book, we're able to answer that, okay? So question number 16. What should I do if conservative treatment of kidney stone fails? So this is another very important question. Question number 17: can kidney stone damage my kidneys permanently? So this is also a very important question. Can kidney stone damage someone's kidney permanently? Get this book and you'll be able to get the answers. Then we said, should I be worried about having kidney stones again after surgical removal or passing kidney stone? Very, very important question. So we have answered it in this book. I wonder why you come to kidney health class and after everything you don't want to get this book. This book is very, very important if you are battling with kidney stone. You can see the things, very critical questions we have raised here, and very as critical as they are also very, very important. And someone feels that because you have kidney stones, you don't, what you just need is medication. You don't just need medication. You need to understand what the problem is and then know how you can actually tackle it. Then question number 18. Should I be worried about having kidney stone again? Okay, we've talked about that. Question number 19. Is every lower back pain as a result of kidney stone? When you're always having lower back pain, is every lower back pain as a result of kidney stone? We've had people who have kidney stone who have gone for several tests because of lower back pain and there were discrepancies in their results. So get this book and you will see. So now the last but not the least. So what do you think should be the number 20 question? Okay, now just don't worry, let me give it to you. How do I differentiate lower back pain due to kidney stone from other causes of lower back pain? This is too much. This book is loaded. In fact, that is how this question is from number 1 to number 100. You can see that they are very, very striking questions, very important questions that you need to know. So if you are treating kidney stones and you don't have this book, the kidney stone handbook, 100 essential questions and answers, that means you've not really started, you're not ready to actually eradicate kidney stones. So when I tell people to buy this book, they feel it is something else. You can buy this book and give to your friend who have kidney stone. As a doctor, you can buy it and keep in your hospital. Give to people who have kidney stone, especially when they're newly diagnosed. If you have a diagnostic center, this book is also very important. Then you as a patient, you that is the person suffering it, in fact, you need if I do everything, you're going to be doing way bills after now. Like anywhere you are in Nigeria, you can get this book. So if you are watching this from Ghana, you're watching from United Kingdom, London, America, anywhere you're watching from the world, you may not be able to get a hard copy. You can get the soft copy through, you can download through Seller. Okay, so if you're interested in this book, want to buy it online, you can type "I'm interested" in the comment section, and I will send you the link of where you can go and get this book. Don't forget, I'm Honorable Victory, and I'm your kidney health coach. Thanks for joining us.